In the papers today, the lead Lex story in the FT focuses on leverage ratios, the basic measure of a bank's equity as a proportion of total assets. In a report out yesterday, the Banking Commission of MPs took issue with the government's decision to stick with the 3% minimum required by Basel III. Lex says while holding slightly more capital might save a bank in a crisis, bigger capital requirements will restrict the flow of credit into the economy, which is their trump card, according to the Daily Mail's James Salmon, who also looks at the legislator's report, their second, in his City Focus column today. In The Guardian, Niels Pratley says that George Osborne has little excuse not to listen to the report. Meanwhile, writing in The Times, Ian King says it's unlikely the Chancellor will introduce taper relief for capital gains tax, as called for by Liam Fox. King believes that other policies, such as cutting employers' national insurance contributions, will be more likely to boost wealth creation. In property, house sales in the 3 months up to February reached a 2.5-year high, boosting hopes of a recovery in the housing market. According to RICS, the increase in sales was driven by improved mortgage availability thanks to the government's funding for lending scheme. And finally, there has been a surprise pickup in public sector vacancies, and recruitment by banks has helped push the employment market to its strongest level since before the recession. In banking, 13% more employers increased staffing levels rather than reducing them. Growth in public sector jobs is likely to outstrip the continued rise in private sector employment in Q2, with local authorities and the NHS leading the way.